sweet. Got it all on tape. Hold on. Look at that. See? It teleported all the way from there to right there. That's teleporting Maraxus. That was found by a gunner, and it's really hard. Much harder than the one at Torval. But yeah, I have one in Catacrom that I'm going to post pretty soon, but once I do it. But see you guys next time.